Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about the central dogma of life. The central dogma of life is a foundational concept in a molecular biology that elucidates the flow of genetic information within the living organism. This concept is proposed by Francis Crick in 1958. It provides a framework to understand how genes encode the synthesis of protein, in which are essential for the structure, function and regulation of the cellular processes. The central dogma comprises three fundamental steps, that is replication, transcription and translation. First step for this concept is replication. DNA replication is a vital process that occurs during the cell division. It ensuring the faithful transmission of the genetic information from one generation to the next. The double-stranded DNA molecule unwinds and specialized enzyme, particularly DNA polymerase. It catalyzes the synthesis of a complementary strand for each template strand. This process follows the base pairing rule, with adenine pairing with the thymine and cytosine pairing with the guanine. As a result, two identical DNA molecules are formed, each containing one original strand and one newly synthesized strand. The DNA replication is critical for the growth, development and repair of the cell and organism. Second step is the transcription. Transcription is the process through which genetic information encoded in the DNA is copied into RNA. Specifically, messenger RNA, that is mRNA, it occurs in the cell nucleus where DNA resides and it's carried out by the enzyme called RNA polymerase. During transcription, the DNA double helix unwinds at a specific gene region, and one of the DNA strands serves as a template for mRNA synthesis. The RNA polymerase reads the template DNA strand and incorporates ribonucleotide triphosphate, that is A, U, C and G, that are complementary to the DNA sequence A with U and C with G. This produces a single-stranded mRNA molecule that carries the genetic information from the nucleus to the cytoplasm, where it serves as a blueprint for protein synthesis. Next step is a translation. Translation is the process by which the genetic information is carried by mRNA is used to synthesize protein. It takes place in the cytoplasm on ribosomes, which are complex molecular machine composed of ribosomal RNA and protein. The process involves decoding the mRNA sequence to determine the order of amino acid required to form a protein. Transfer RNA, that is tRNA, molecules plays a crucial role in the translation. Each tRNA molecule is specific to particular amino acid and contain an anticodon sequence that bind to the complementary codon on mRNA. As the ribosome moves along the mRNA, it reads the codon in sets of 3 and each codon specifies a particular amino acid. The tRNA molecules bring the corresponding amino acid and link them together in a correct order to form a polypeptide chain, which eventually folds into functional protein. In summary, the central dogma of life describes the unidirectional flow of the genetic information from the DNA replication to mRNA transcription and finally to the protein translation. This process is essential for functioning and perpetuation of the life, as a protein are the primary player in the most cellular processes and are responsible for carrying out the vast majority of the biological function. Understanding the central dogma has a profound implication for the genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, and medicine, as it underpins our knowledge of how living organisms are developed and grow and respond to their environment. That's all about the central dogma of life. Thank you.